hemp farmers statewide are worried right now.
You know, this after what's being billed as the largest hemp auction in the world held in Middle Tennessee this week. As we told you last night, some farmers walking away, bringing home thousands of pounds of product instead of making a sale.
Well, new here at 5:30, WATE 6 on your side digital reporter Cameron Jacobs hearing from a local farmer about problems this new industry is already facing.
I do know that they may not have been the most well-organized event to have an auction at.
Hemp farmers from all over the country gathered at the International Hemp Auction and Market in Middle Tennessee this week, expecting high bidding wars for their product. However, farmers were shocked when they found out their hard work was only fetching about a quarter of the expected sale rate. This caused some farmers to pack up and go home with thousands of pounds of product unsold.
The low end, what people were getting at the auction was like 50 cents. You know what I'm saying? So like when you talk 50 cents for a 12% pound, you're talking $6 for a pound.
Which is pretty low for hemp when farmers were expecting to get about $24 per pound.
The average yield on an acre is between 2,000 to 3,000 pounds. So you're talking $12,000 to $18,000 off an acre for something that is an extremely high labor crop right now. Whereas if most people were to take that price, they're just losing money.
Ryan Rush is the owner and operator of Rush Hemp Farms in Murrayville. His company not only grows hemp, but also processes the plant into CBD products. He explains why the market price was so low.
There is a lot of low quality material out there right now. So I would say for this, it's the growing pains.
As we told you, many farmers left the market without selling any of their product.
You know, the auction's founder saying he expects things to improve, though, over the next few years.